Welcome to Craftify AI Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a trackable link with Craftify AI, and it's really simple. To get started, we're going to come over here to click Create. We're going to scroll down and find Trackable Link. From here, we're going to use this Configure panel to make sure all of the details are here for our new trackable link. So if you have a campaign that this is related to, it can be really easy. This can be easily filled out by choosing that campaign but for this one, I don't have a campaign and we're just going to go ahead and go with it. All right, the destination URL, I'm going to go ahead and put this in. Now this is going to be where your QR code is going to, or your link is going to direct your traffic to. So you just want to place whatever that URL is. That could be a product, that could be to an event, all of those things. You just want to add that link there. Then here we're going to have the UTM parameters, and these are totally optional, but I love organization and it can help you as well. So what we can use this for is to define more parameters so we know what this is all connected to. So your source would be, how is this going to be shown to a user? Is it digital? Is it going to be texted? Is it going to be on a poster or a flyer? Things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and place this source will be the source will be the flyer. Then the medium, how are we going to be making this? We're going to send it through QR code. You do not have to fill this in, but if you want to, it can just be helpful. The campaign could be for a scarf. And then the term, are we offering a discount with this code, etc. These are all personalized for you to add whatever information is good for you. So I'm going to say freebie. And then where is this gonna be? Is it in a window of a shop, or is it gonna be on the desk? So I'm gonna say it's on the desk and click create trackable link. In just a few seconds, you're gonna have the trackable link for this new link. You can see here, it's gonna point to this link specifically. So every time someone is going to use this QR code, it's going to go directly here so you can see this. And then from here, you can download this as a SVG or as a PNG. We've also created you a small shareable link that you can use to share this anywhere you'd like. And this will help you to be able to spread this information, whatever it is out there. And then you can track all of the content, everybody who goes to view this content. So you later on, this is not going to be visible right yet, but later on when you come over into your insights, you'll be able to see from where your trackable links are, which ones have been clicked, how many people, etc. So you can trace who has been coming to those specific links. So I hope this was helpful for you. Happy crafting!